From the city streets to the unforgiven jungle, the word is preached to that which was lost. Like the apostles of old, traveling nation to nation. Through trial, through danger, through sacrifice, the mission continues. We stood at camp, teaching our people, warning against whoredom, exposing wickedness, calling them from drugs, restoring love within the community. 3 hours deep into the interior, through narrow roads and unknown paths, then across dangerous waters, boats cutting through the rivers, just to reach the forgotten. And still, the work pressed on. Delays came, but the mission did not stop. The word went forth over the airways, across the land, echoing through radio frequencies, reaching ears unseen. And in the halls of history, through museums and records, the truth was made plain. We are the people of the book. See the work, see the wisdom, see the fruits. The mission continues.